I'm Dr. Chef Parvinder Bali. I think it's really amazing, especially coming to Jaipur. Jaipur, you know, one thinks always of Pink City, concrete also, but looking at so much of greenery, I'm completely elated, I would say.
And how much you like the opportunity to Manipal University ne sare chefs ko diye, sir?
I think it's absolutely mind-blowing and eye-opening, you know, because when you see that kind of infrastructure, the students, you feel proud and you know that, you know, the education is in the right hands and the students are going to really benefit from it.
Exactly. So sir, यहाँ पे जितने भी नए बच्चे हैं जो होटल मैनेजमेंट अभी pursue कर रहे हैं, तो आप उनको एक मैसेज क्या देना चाहते हैं?
So I think, you know, use the facilities that you have here. Right. Do due diligence to your learning. Keep exploring. I think you have great mentors in this place. Right. But वही है ना कि आपको सिर्फ प्यासे को एक कुएं तक ले जा सकते हैं, but पानी खुद पीना होता है. So I think that I would ask students to, you know, put in their efforts, research and add to their learning. Whatever dish you cook, it's not about a recipe, it's always about a process, a deeper understanding of an ingredient, a utensil, the fire source. So I think all those things are really important. So yes, I think when we cook, you know, earlier we used to cook as per recipe ki ye dal banani hai. But aajkal, you know, after working so many years in the industry, then you don't say ki dal banani hai. Then you say ki which kind of a dal. Is it organic? What role is it going to play in somebody's life in terms of nutrition? How sustainable is that dal? Is that dal giving enough profit to the farmer who's growing it? You know, so the entire thought process, I say, would change over a period of years.
Yes, sir, आपकी जो journey रही है
जी,
as a chef,
as
a successful chef, I must say. सर बहुत challenges आएंगे.
बहुत सारे, अभी भी आते हैं.
Family and profession के बीच में balance की जब prioritize करने की बात आती है. What challenge do you really feel कि सबसे ज़्यादा tough था?
So I think the toughest one, and we still face, you know, if we really break this down into 4 P's, the first thing is people, because it is so difficult to get, you know, trained good people who will stay with you. So every time it's a new people coming in with new skill set, you have to retrain, and it's a part of the chef's job. And other is ingredient, the product. You know, so that is a big challenge again, because getting the right kind of ingredient, you know, with the international ingredients coming in and everything, ingredient has been a major challenge again. I think when we touch another P like a profit, that's a bigger challenge, because you have to still give the best to your discerning customer and yet, you know, contribute to the bottom line of the organization. So that is the biggest challenge again. And of course processes, you know, with so many things coming up with auditing and the food management safety systems and FSSAI. So I think those are another set of challenges. Sir, मेरे को यहाँ की हर dish पसंद है actually. If you look at even दाल बाटी चूरमा, उसका मतलब अपना ही combination जब आप खाओ तो that is great. I love गट्टा. So गट्टा और चावल और थोड़ा सा गाय का घी, I think that is a great dish. I even like the preparations of, you know, जैसे राब बनती है, बाजरे की राब, so I love to have that as well. मीठा तो क्या बात बोलें, मतलब जयपुर का मीठा अपने में ही एक कचौड़ी हैं different type की, जैसे प्याज की कचौड़ी हो गई, so that's great. So I think the street food of Jaipur, the traditional breakfast of Jaipur, the traditional fare जो weddings में खाना बनता है, I think it's incredible.
And what about Lalmas?
Lalmas is incredible again. I think especially, you know, if you're using the right Mathania chilies जो वहाँ से आए, और मतलब it is amazing to say कि इतनी गर्मी में जब वो लालमास खाया जाता है तो कैसे अपनी बॉडी को ठंडा रखता है.
Thank you very much.